Hello, so this video is about Anna AI and how we integrate Google OAuth into the Anna AI and how this feature will be utilized. So to start, it's very simple. You just visit this website, Anna.partners, and then just sign in, log into the platform. So to demonstrate today, I'll be using our internal testing version, which is this one, staging.anna.partners. So the website is a little bit different because this is the latest version used only for internal testing. But these features will be finally published onto our official Anna finally. So, and to start, let me quickly brief what is Anna and how it is used. So basically, Anna AI is an AI agent that is able to execute some tasks on the laptops or some devices of users. So we have this concept of agent, which means, for example, here I have 4 agents, and currently one of them is online, and this agent, as you can see here, is on my MacBook Air. So that means because I have this online agent on this laptop, basically Anna is able to conduct some tasks on this laptop. So for example, if I ask Anna to to sort or organize some files on my desktop or on certain folders within my laptop, it is able to do so because it has an online agent there on my laptop. And then we also have this feature, which is sandbox. So like here you can say if you want to kind of limit the locations this agent is able to function, then the users can just enable the sandbox mode. And once it's enabled, it basically means this AI agent can only have access to the files within this sandbox workspace path. This folder is like the only place where this agent can act, and that is more safe. But if you feel like you want to give more freedom to your agent, you can just disable the sandbox mode. And then this is how we use Google. So for example, here users need to click this one, authorization, and right here we have Google here, and I just click connect with Google OAuth, and it will show different levels of permissions that user want to grant. So for example, here, these 3 permissions are basically necessary. They are OpenID, email, and profile. And then there are some optional ones, including the permission to read Gmail, modify Gmail, compose Gmail, send Gmail, read calendar, read events, Drive, and also Google Docs, Google Sheets, and some permissions about YouTube. Since this video is for demonstration, I'll be clicking like all of them. But in real use case, we encourage that users only select limited permissions, like they only choose what they need. And for those ones that are not necessary, users don't need to click them. So I just click here, authorize, and then I need to choose whichever Google account I want to use. So I'll be choosing this one for demonstration. And I need to verify it's me, so wait a second, let me click this on my phone. Okay, I have just clicked this on my iPhone. And let me finish the rest. Okay, so here it says that another partner wants to access my Google account, and by accepting here, this will allow another partners to do a bunch of stuff, and then I would just see I allow this. Okay, currently you can see here, so on this dashboard, it currently shows that my Gmail, which is Kate at another partners, is already connected here, and there are 18 scopes. If I click the details, I'll be able to see the number of scopes and also when this was connected and the status. Also, if I want to reconnect or disconnect, I can also click here. And if I want to delete it, I can just click this button. So let me since now it's already connected, let me show you how it can be used. So for example, I need to choose an AI model here, and then the right way to use this is just to first choose a right tool. So we have already, like earlier, I have already installed this tool that can help me to better utilize the functions and APIs of Google. So I can just say here, can you see my email account? And you can see here, like the Anna AI agent is currently utilizing this tool and to run the APIs and then get the data for me. And you can see like it answered correctly. It can see my email account, which is kate at another partners. And currently I have total message of over 800 and a lot of threads. And let me test the functions one by one for you. So first, please read the, please check how, if there are any unread emails and tell me what those are about. Okay, so it says currently I have several unread emails, and here's the summary. One email from Light Happy, which is about regarding a reply regarding the test, and one email from Robot, which is a follow-up on the collaboration proposal, and also some emails about AI and tech updates, and also emails about event, blah, blah, blah. So the next function I want to test is, I think the, the email about meetup and the agent OS lab is not important. Can you mark them as unread? So first, let me see my email inbox first. So I do have some, like right here, I do have some emails about the meetup and also this AI agent, the AI agent lab. So I just asked this AI agent to mark them as unread. Okay, so it says it has already marked those emails as read for me. Let me check. Okay, this one is marked as read indeed. Yeah. Let me check. Let me test the next function. Please delete these few emails for me. Okay, so it says it doesn't have necessary permission to permanently delete email from my account, but it can trash them instead, which means it will be moved to the trash folder. And yes, that's what I want. So it says it has successfully moved the emails to the trash, and let me check. So let me refresh the Gmail. And yes, that email did disappear. And if I check the trash, okay, these emails about Meetup are already in the trash folder. Okay, so it's done. Let me test the next one. Now I want to draft an email. Please do one for me and put it in the draft folder. And the recipient is subject is hello and content is hello. Okay, let me check my draft. Okay, we can see here it does have this draft exactly is here, and the content is right. And I will say, please send this email on my behalf. Okay, and then now just let me refresh my Gmail account. We can say currently there are only 3 drafts, but like 1 minute earlier there were 4, so this one should have already been sent, and it is. And let me log into my other Gmail account to see if this one is already there. And it's sent successfully. Okay, let's test the next function. Can you read how many labels are there in my Gmail? Okay, that makes sense. So I do have these 3 labels, which are Hunter, Invoice, and YouTube. So this information is correct. And there are some system labels which are definitely right. So these are basically the functions about Gmail within Anna, and it's super easy to use. We just need to you just need to connect your Gmail account right here and authorize Anna with the appropriate permissions, and then you can just chat with Anna, and Anna will be able to do a lot of stuff about your Gmail as required. And now let's test something else. I'm gonna try to test the Google Drive stuff because earlier I do give Anna permissions about Google Drive. So now it's also like the same way to start. I just need to add this tool, and then I say, let me try this first. Do you have access to my Google Drive? Okay, so it does have access to my Google Drive, which is associated with my email, which is this one. So first, I want you to please list files. And to verify if it's finishing work as I desired, I'm going to open my drive first. Okay, so this is my drive. And it says here are the most recently modified files in my Google Drive, and those are completely right. And I'm gonna try to test, can you create a folder and a doc for me? Okay, so let me refresh. Okay. Okay, I do have this one right here, new project folder, and this one project notes. Can you write something in this doc? This one currently should be empty. Okay, so it has added some text for me, and it is exactly what is here. So that's wonderful. And let me try something else. Can you delete this file for me now? Okay, so let me check my trash. That is correct, and this one, right, this file is already in my trash. Okay, and let me test something else. So for example, can you download the file within my drive? Okay, so as an example, it's downloaded a picture and put that picture in my workspace. So I can check my workspace now. It should be right here, and screenshot. Okay, this one. Okay, and let me check if this is the right one. Okay. Okay, that's completely right. And finally, let me do something else, some other more testing. So we noticed that earlier we do have the permissions about YouTube. So right now, let me ask, since YouTube is a different channel, so I'll be using this tool, and I'll just say, can you see my channel? Okay, so let me check. I'll be visiting my channel first. So this is my channel, and so it's right. The channel's name is Anna AI, and the handle is Annapanas. Blah, 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 and please see how many videos are there in my channel, and tell me their performances. Okay, so I have total of 7 videos, and the first one is this one about poster, and it does have a view of 566. So these numbers are correct, and I'll be asking what capabilities do you have in terms of YouTube API? So we can see here, because we integrated the Google OAuth, and I, as a user, have granted permissions regarding YouTube to Anna. So Anna currently has, this Anna has a wide range of capabilities managing my YouTube channel through the CLI. And here's a breakdown of what it can do. So it can do channel and content management. It can retrieve detailed stats and update my channel's branding settings for me. It can also list my videos, get some data, and create some new playlists, and also pull real-time performance data for my video and for other people's video, and comment moderation, and also administrative tasks. So let me try this first. Can you summarize comments under my video for me? I don't have, because this is a new channel, I don't have a lot of comments so far, but let's see if it can summarize the existing ones. So it appears that most of my, the most popular video is this one about AI image, and it also checked my other recent videos. So I don't have, well, that's true, I don't have a lot of comments. And can you, do you have data of videos of other YouTubers? And you can see it's using the API of Google to do some research. So let me try something first. Okay, let me try this one first. Okay, this channel. Okay, and this is the analysis of this YouTube channel. First, it has 25K subscribers, which is true, and it has a total video of 200, that much. Let's see. Well, it does have a lot of videos, and the niche, this is correct, it's about AI and productivity, and also making money online. Okay, so this is right. So basically, this is how we utilize the Google Auth within Anna. So to start, users need to download their own local AI agent and put at least like one AI agent in, for example, their laptop or a computer. And once the agent is online, users need to finish the authorizations here by connecting their Google account to Anna, and they just need to select the needed permissions, the needed scopes when they do the authorization. And once the Google account is connected, it's super easy to use. All you need to do is just ask questions here in the chat box, and then the AI agent will be able to do a lot of tasks, including email listing, email reading, and also reply drafting. It can also send the emails for me, delete the emails, and also it has access to our Google Drive, as I permitted earlier. You can also write something within the files, download the files, and also if you do have a YouTube account associated with your Google account, and once you granted the corresponding permissions, this AI agent will also be able to analyze the data of your channel and also of other channels. And the data will be stored locally since the agent is locally, and the model here I used is just like Gemini. So this is the demonstration. Hopefully it can help you understand how Anna is worked and how Google is leveraged, Google account is leveraged. By giving the authorization, users without technical background can easily manage their Google's Workspace or like Gmail with AI. So one last thing that I do want to share with you is how Anna can be connected with Google Calendar and utilize the corresponding functions. So to start, it's also very simple. We just need to make sure here that this one is already connected, and we can start a new chat. And similarly, just add the tool here. And let me try ask something like, can you read my Google Calendar? Which account do you have access to? Because earlier I have granted permissions about Google Calendar to Anna, and the account should be this one, Kate at Another Partners. And just let me just check if this is correct and accurate. Okay, cool. It says it is able to read my Google Calendar, and currently it has access to this account. And let me try something. Can you see what events I have this week? Okay, so it says currently I have 3 events scheduled this week. The first one is AI full stack agent workshop, and this one. So let me check. So currently, right here, this one is right, and here this one is also right, and this one. So all of them are actually quite accurate. So right now, can you add an event for me and invite one of my colleagues, which is Dora at the partners. Title is hello, and date and time is tomorrow, 9 a.m. No location. Okay, there is a network error, so don't worry. I'm just gonna ask again. Okay, so it seems that the event is already added. Okay, right here, the title is right, date is right, and this invitation is also right. Okay, cool. So, and can you delete this event for me? Let me just test one more function. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, that event is gone. It's already deleted. So basically, these are the functions and capabilities that Anna has about Google Calendar. And that's all for our today's demonstration. Thank you for watching.